will jump attack you if you disrespect. I could care less if you weigh over 200 pounds. I'm trying to be the last man standing, how that sound? Hey, here's a mirror, take a good look at your life. Ask yourself, are you satisfied with the shit stem? Huh? Cause me and my peeps, we not. You done for July, yeah, 6-pack. I don't dig that. So, meet the fire with these bars of mine that are hot. See me and them, we not similar, was made of a more advanced operating system. Since the Lord don't put no burden on a soul heavier than it can bear, we going through more hardship, more tribulation. Welcome to the real life experimentation, where every age is a different station. Ask yourself, are you gonna be down with your peeps when the revolution pop off? Ask yourself, are you gonna be down with your peeps when the revolution pop off? Ask yourself, are you gonna be down with your peeps when the revolution pop off? Ask yourself, are you gonna be down with your peeps when the revolution pop off? We constantly recruiting soldiers, anyone that's willing to stand for their right. Hope you understand it does involve dying for the cause. That's because some of y'all fake fellas are punks, coming up with excuses when it's time to ride. All come together now, let's take action. Organize, elaborate, power structure, do some for self. I'm trying to take what's mine. See that oppression-ish, the psychological. Can't believe you falling for them tricks, they fucking with your mind. And I don't mean diamonds when I'm talking about shine. Talking about being able to order the clouds to come together, and by the power of Kun bring down the rain. Be in tune with nature. Let all my verses, all my senses bow and serve the power that's behind the universe. Hey, listen, bro. Real is the curse. The purpose of my life is not to chase after riches. My peers swerving in and out of lanes, getting away more and more from the straight path. Ask yourself, are you gonna be down with your peeps when the revolution pop off? Ask yourself, are you gonna be down with your peeps when the revolution pop off? Ask yourself, are you gonna be down with your peeps when the revolution pop off? Ask yourself, are you gonna be down with your peeps when the revolution pop off? Yeah. Today the brandy and touch base with the paper. Came up off the head like see you later. Money in new ways like pay-per-view. Most of y'all fellas don't know how to do it. Flow flexible, something like water. That family is called the fluids. Oh no, I knew you was gonna do it. Shift 5 time to bless us. Rumors in the hood, now you pushing the Lexus. Word of mouth, eat MCs for breakfast. See I stand tall, nothing like this. Back of bars, mix get tossed. Out of the ghetto, still lift up sauce. Please y'all haters, get out of here. Neighbors like shit, fuck with no fear. I done been in fights, 3 against 1, but pieces are love I and I. The remedy, my love was shifa. Spend that whack, why not get a little more? They say time can heal the pain of grief. Knowing that thing itself is a relief. Trials and tribulations, wash. That's how we get most of our answers. Human lifetime is so brief. Money, anything, I take it literally. Maybe that's one of the philosophy of shift. Forgive aggressors just to avoid beef. Both could be dead in a matter of seconds. Experience one strangle neighbors and they slip. What evidence is to be found? Spreading up love in the city. Neighbors hate, we destroy without pity. You gon' meet my words sooner or later. Premature eggs, you got incubators. Excuse me, may I talk please? Since they been on the mic, they ain't saying nothing.
I've been doing it for so long, doing it for 10. Didn't ask for nothing. Homies, can't you see? I've been doing it for so long, doing it for 10. Didn't ask for nothing. Homies, can't you see? I've been doing it for so long, doing it for 10. Didn't ask for nothing. Homies, can't you see? I've been doing it for so long, doing it for 10. Didn't ask for nothing. Homies, can't you see?
The longer the wait, the bigger the date. Nowadays the phenomenon of love is a debate. No time to chat, homie, I don't wanna be late. Trying to get there before they close the gates. Gotta pray for those that love to hate. At 15 now kids is bound to mate. When it comes to sex now kids can relate. Oh boy, what about toys? Listen, everything that listen is light. See, you never know what it might be. Follow the right path, at least you gon' laugh. Don't ever let anybody dictate you. 1 in a million, that's what you are. Your galaxy is bigger than a star. Check what a wise man told me once. The beginning of wisdom is to call the things by their right name. See, in other words, no line, tell the truth. Alarming is the unemployment rate in Sin City, Babylon the Great. Listen, neighbor, we've been through it, and nothing we imagining here. Reality, the youth is aging for here, and nothing nobody doing about it. So I stood up just to shout it. If anybody said it is the same, I doubt it. I rhyme like there's no bars, rhyme like there's no time limit. I'm still amazing to these gimmicks. Whoever the got fit, let them wear it. Weaponized bars, wick of yours. Gotta give props, my pen being a good friend.
I've been doing it for so long, doing it for things. Didn't ask for nothing. Homies, can't you see? I've been doing it for so long, doing it for things. Didn't ask for nothing. Homies, can't you see? I've been doing it for so long, doing it for things. Didn't ask for nothing. Homies, can't you see? I've been doing it for so long, doing it for things. Didn't ask for nothing. Homies, can't you see?
Victims of genocide, victims of civil war, victims of AIDS and all. Science so deep, must it be a prof? Shifa, cry these bloody tears. Goes for my bips, I got serious love. Can't bear the suffering, hunger and pain. In the motherland, this land of mine. In some part of it, the sun don't shine. The misery just got out of line. Hey, they little children's dying. Listen, you can hear their mothers crying. Situation so traumatizing. And ever since I heard that, I toss and turn, I can hardly sleep. Matter of fact, none of us allowed to sleep. Yes, a major problem, they done skip. Yeah, and it's making me flip. Challenging my spirit, awakening my soul. My friends telling me, shift man, listen. You look kinda stressed, gotta relax. Come on buddy, can't let it get to you. They don't understand, it already got to me. I feel for the generations after me. What is the best way to put it in this verse? The rich getting richer while we killing each other. Straight up caffeine city, who's more nervous? Thousands of days pass by, I don't know if you realize it or not, but these are days of our lives. Days that the ghetto doesn't get the better of us. All I see is peeps with my dignity, my family. They don't leave, they survive. You're now connected to the hood, and this is happening as we speak. How can you tell when the bottom of your screen says live? We do exceed the limit of a couch when the whole village gathers to watch TV. Damn, I miss the days of the jellies, telling stories under the baobab tree. Never skip that, even though we a new breed. This fella made of science for those able to read. I'm after the lost ship, Abraham's seed. Peace be upon him. This one for ya. This one designed by Allah, my creator. By the grace of the Almighty do I raise my pen. My fears dissipated ever since I started feeding off the word. Declaration of war being challenged by the dark forces. I lean on so strong, in fact done stronger. If you're still waiting to find out, still having doubts if that's real or not. Seeing all of us waiting, y'all gon' have to wait longer. Here's my report, based on a close observation. Children without parents, students without teachers, faced in the ignorance, lost in the fantasies, seeking to feel something real, now that's reality. Thoughts were not gathered properly in the first place. What a great nation though. Our best wish is a nice final destination, with an idea of the mighty heaven in mind. I don't even know if I'm going after it the right way. I'm down on my knees, please may I be forgiven if it doesn't please him whom all praises due. Some peeps amazed like, man, tell us who are you? I'm just man in flesh, paying it with words. Yeah, it's rough, but all of y'all know truth hurts. I'm on the side of my pips, the side of the oppressed, always been on the side of the weak.
Yeah. Your boy touching the house. Yeah. Shifty in the house. Bed-Stuy, nigga.
Lyrical gas operated by double. Soon as the vibes hit you, it affects your liver. In a positive way, though. They always ask, hey, Shifty, how you do that? My response, I try to match the pain of a widow. Put it in words, nice melodies laid on tracks to give it back to the widows, children, the joy it brings. That's what this soul live for. I try to advance, reach higher heights. Nice deeds might give me the chance to see the mighty might. Wesh, and I'm quick to cut any hands that bites the first hand that fed it. Shifted, said it's a pass the machete. For ya unbelievers this year, listen, be more than ready. Nice surprise for you suckers. The army's on point just in case you fellas frontin'. Rush that
So, get back, get back, get back, get back, get back. If you don't flip that, twist that, get that, nigga, get back, get back, get back, get back, get back, get back. If you don't flip that, twist that, get that, nigga, get back. Don't let me lose you, confuse you, cause I grip it tight, spit it right. Flow will leave you burnt like kryptonite. Touch on the track, and I'm hungry when I hit the mic. We're not alike, cause I'm the type to air you like a fucking kite. Trust me, I clap, you know, I'm not an actor. Life was a show, I hope you know I disperse and it'll get pushed in. Playing Fear Factor, no bonus when I blow this, leave you boneless. All stainless when I aimless, leave you brainless. Easy to be famous, shells nameless. Work like a dermatologist, give you a facelift. You hate this, nothing comes easy, I'ma take this. Short on my patience, turn niggas to patience. Put your occupation, don't know what you facing. Candyman, though I make moves like Jason. Handy damn, shows the size of Sony's handy cam. Married to myself, you can call me a family man. Gun up on my hand, heat blow like a ceiling fan. MAC, young OG, lyrical businessman.
Lyrical businessman.
So, get back, get back, get back, get back, get back. If you don't flip that, twist that, get that, nigga, get back, get back, get back, get back, get back. If you don't flip that, twist that, get that, nigga, get back.
I walked alone in the dark, wesh, and I didn't stop working till I saw the light, yes. I'm the new fresh owner of the city. Somebody handed me the keys, don't be mad at me, please. When you need to take some out, you need to squeeze. When I need to take some out, I just sneeze. Me ain't the same boy, no we ain't similar. You is, hey she is. Homie in your heart, of course, yes, there's a disease. Break them kisses, what you be doing with us? With wrongdoers,
we don't even like to shake hands. Watch what you say, boy. The heart of a lion is known to quick freeze. I'm a stripper, I can make my anger strip these. Watch this, they gon' witness the wrath. They gon' witness it right from overseas. Don't you worry about shift. Rap is what I do, rap is my expertise.
They always asking me, hey little boy, where did you get this flow? And I reply, it came from a special place in the heavens. When they gave it to me, they told me it was gonna shine a gold flow. And they get the same thing to that's true. Ain't that some stuff? So we can't be out with it. 2005.
Nice or gutter. Anyway, any style, crack hooks all day. You know what it is. Touch the shit vibe, but the shit vibe. My niggas do get vibe. You heard?
Become a dumb devil yourself. Look at you. You're the people of God.
Wesh,
But you
good
function
fire, good.
like you're the children of Satan. Let's deal with reality now.
Who are you? I am the light that shines in the dark, diamond in the dirt. My presence hurts. I am the truth. I am what I am. The proof manifest, unfolded in garments. Yes, I am convinced. Back to earth, a portion of me shall return. That's the only thing I am 100% sure about. Without a doubt, I am in every living thing. Originated the sound of every singing bird. I am the first, the second, and the third. I am those ears that heard what you said. I am the mouth that's reciting these verses, a representation of what you're not. The seven heavens according to human recollection. I am on every stage of them. Still I am down to earth, not as something to us, nothing to me. Cause I am omnipotent, not Shifai, of course. Shifai just the dying thing. I am what's forever. Hush. I am. Not understood. There's so much about me. I am the unknown. I am what's hidden. I am what's obvious. I am mercy. I am also revenge. Yeah. King of the kings, making things happen. Don't even need to blink. I am the essence, the past, the future, and the present. The reason you be, because I am what you cannot comprehend. I am not talking about Shifa. I told ya, Shifa just the dying thing. I am the man architect of your life. There's nothing you're doing from sun up to sundown. No, nothing that I am not aware of. I am the pain that's knocking on doors. Whether you let me in or not, I'm taking it by force. I am what's being represented in this song. I am at the same time the representative of this song. Guess what? I am the listener that you are. I am so humble. I allow myself to critic myself. But ain't it beauty, so much love for wealth. I am not satisfied with the way your system is treating my people. Wash. I am.
Megatron, not Shifai, of course. Shifai just a dying thing. Me I am not my maker, but I am is writing these lyrics. I am the ultimate goal. Yes, I am your final return. Yes, I am definitely the source. So many things you could learn. Yeah, so many diablos that you could earn. I am a witness in your midst. I am everywhere, everything, everybody. Still I am one. Still I am one. Still I am. Still I am one. Whatever. Still I am one. Shifa. Kun fire kun. Couldn't fire, couldn't. Yeah, listen. Yo, in the beginning was the word, then the word became flesh. You don't need to be a genius to find out. The writer been around before our father. Damn, peace be upon him, writing in tablets. I replicated it, even though the unbelievers hated it. Alas, my God, I shall walk with no fear. My devotion is so sincere. Let the hearts connect, oh Lord, let them bear witness of the greatest of your band. For your humble servant here, Min Kulidad. If she vice the remedy, then give him the power to cure. And those thieves you despise much, Lord, those thieves, please take them out of us. I live among beasts, the worst goons. Part of their hearts clean, nevertheless corrupted. The situation is mad hectic, I'm stressed. At dawn, the trumpet could blow in the shades of noon. Right when you taking a nap, that's when they heard terrifying thunderclaps. Back in time, let us observe the behavior that led to her destruction. Men with men, shifted choice though. Murder, bad bodies in the city, and employment rate near to 100%. Oppressors a few, oppressed ones the majority. Let us pause, rewind time in our mind. Me and my peeps be chilling, it's all about the grind. I done seen skinny, tall, big, each and every kind, light still shining. Thanks to the man above, between a man and his fellow man, there's no love. Talk is cheap, bring it to the point, yo. Sin City got me over depressed. How to maintain the stress on the brain, yeah. Lead to a motherfucking suicide. How to maintain the stress on the brain, yeah. Lead to a motherfucking suicide. How to maintain the stress on the brain, yeah. Lead to a motherfucking suicide. How to maintain the stress on the brain, yeah. Lead to a motherfucking suicide. Listen, I sell words for a living, that's all I know. Flashlights with made up stars. From the wisdom of his verses came out bars. They done got me hype, mic test one light shift. No, not this type, wait till I flip and switch. Start going backwards like a crazy vinyl. My force is some y'all suckers cannot handle. I'm just a representation of a higher power. Yeah, you cannot read it, club baby. Your argument shall not be, I didn't hear it. They drag up the rack to catch your time. Till I came out, kidnapped their minds. And now for now, that's what I stand for. What, my wahad land for. And now for now, that's what I stand for. What, my wahad land for. How to maintain the stress on the brain, lead to a motherfucking suicide. Yeah. How to maintain the stress on the brain, lead to a motherfucking suicide. How to maintain the stress on the brain, lead to a motherfucking suicide. How to maintain the stress on the brain, lead to a motherfucking suicide. Yeah, what up, Noid? Big shout out to Noid, man. Damn right, the stress is too much. 2006, we living in Sin City. Word up. Shifai. Good fire, good. So I show by example, I don't just talk. And I've been about hip-hop before I came to New York. Me and my Afro pips, starving vicious. They sent me, I took the plan, and the plan landed. Now I'm in the US, working the war. You seen it on TV, we hungry, homie. Where can I wash my hands? Show me, forget about the fog. No officer, no, we don't eat pork. Middle fingers in the air if you mean to say fuck. We pissed off lately, better watch us closely. Organized riots, alert your town, fuckers. I gotta represent, 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 I gotta represent. Here's an African rebel, so sound the alarm, sophisticated fight. And we know how it works. The bush is just a part of the jungle, but wild animals still run it. You ignorant jerks. Most of us black, we don't lurk in the dark. Remember the first fire started off with the spark. So which one of you fellas is gonna be saved? Nowadays, it's all about the art, but I mingle with the enemy. My defense, I'm armed with the force of verses like Nazi. Not to confuse it with Nazi, that German paparazzi. The stories on the internet are nasty, but I stand tall, wasn't made of plastic. Raised in hot weather, 3 men just hit. I dodge the negative, and whatever you let go my way forever if fiasco. You hate, I gotta represent, 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 I gotta represent. Yeah, neighbors know I don't play. Hush. Yeah, neighbors know I don't play. And you're the truth of the matter is, the third word is suffering, like it wasn't enough. You're kicking a man down, medicine experiments, no more of that. Whatever you had, the supplements turn out to be poison. No more trust, I ban red, white, and blue. I ain't making up nothing, through the script I'm glued, the truth official. Bad karma would get you, the future, soon you'll be out of the picture. The Reaper done got your fire, right back at you. All along you were being watched by the watcher. Came at you from directions you could not perceive. Fast is the menace, I poke holes in it. Dig, rush. I gotta represent, 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 I gotta represent. She fire, and fire good man. Rush, yeah. Whenever you ready, shift, let's go. Hey yo, the flow sophisticated, nobody could front. Mad karate moves like Shaggy Shun. Think I'm bluffing, we be having fun. Punk wild brand, you already done. According to your government, I'm an illegal alien. Slash for brainer, aka stranger. No, I wasn't born here, been here for a few years, then studied the language. Yeah, that's right, English, sheet, roof, ease. Yeah, don't know shift. Check my props, man. We them rebels, never ride slow. Been pushing the pedal, broke bread with savages. African devils, neighbors that eat you up, live in the flesh, no joke. I'm talking about real life cannibals. The only thing they know about him, his name is Shifa. After the show he disappears right in front of their eyes, leave a mouth wide open. I go with their breath. I was right on the block when I met DMX. Don't you read into it? Shit was a sign. Socks still got hoes. That's the sign of the past, baby. It's not okay if you don't do the things you say. It's not okay. Those funny type of games you play. It's not okay. When neighbors all up in my bed. It's not okay to violate us, get away, no way. Now who gon' laugh last? Not your ass, I'm told like the Himalayas. These bars are thick from the surface to the core. They made of layers, that's what they meant when they came up with the term hardcore. Now keep in mind how I'm nice at this, and I'm better with the fist. Homie, you wanted this, sell it, got six balls, bring out the bitch. See, moi shift. I don't eat beef, but moi shift. I do smoke split, not to brag about it. You do, seriously, I doubt it. You them thugs imposters, we sick of that. Take his hat, go ahead, take that. See if the coward dare to say something, make a doll after his image and voodoo his ass. I represent the third world, that starvation. It's our turn, return of the voice of the mass. It's not okay if you don't do the things you say. It's not okay. Those funny type of games you play. It's not okay. When neighbors all up in my bed. It's not okay to violate us, get away, no way. No, I ain't gon' front. I'm not a G, but the boy is a savage compared to D. Third floor, fifth Ave. I'm taking the bad voices in my head. I'm being fed, the machete start cutting, lose an arm and the leg. So insane how I puzzle them words better. But still I let the white bird get a chance to fly through. See, that's the message. Much wicked souls in Sin City. Despite all of this bokish. Once in a while you'll be catching me smiling. I'm the rapper that is not about them things. Yeah, I'm about lightning and thunder. Lend a solid hands to those that are under. I'm the voice of those you never heard of. Ain't shit sweet, homie, ain't nothing soft. It's not okay if you don't do the things you say. It's not okay. Those funny type of games you play. It's not okay. When neighbors all up in my bed. It's not okay to violate us, get away, no way. Yo, can you describe to me what is it like? What are they about? Shift, bless us with that, man. Let me bless you with the strange experience I had, man. That's strange, man. All they could hear, sirens and horns, the vrooms of motorbikes. Sorta like my little life displaying through satellite. Kinda like the noises he's saying, make way for the new king. His charisma is so interesting. They watching but they cannot touch him, nor can they see him. Against him, defeat is the best bet, shouldn't be a doubt. He's saying half of what I am, this is self-examination. Except this time, homie, I switched the self. They ain't getting me, I get however half a spliff wash. My cook is a book, that they got me hooked. Got eyes, but I try to look with my heart. Wonders are still about. Heavier weight on the right when comes the time to balance the deeds.
Tell them not where you at, who you are. Tell them what you calling yourself is what you being fed. Tell them not where you from or where you leave. Tell them how much money you got is what you being fed. Tell them not where you at, who you are. Tell them what you calling yourself is what you being fed. Tell them not where you from or where you leave. Tell them how much money you got is what you being fed.
Long time ago, scratch that. Once upon a time there was a rich fella
richest fella in the village. Though he had money, the man was tight. When it comes to stacking them chips, he's second to none. No help, no charity, none at all. Blessed be the beggars who came at his door. Like I'm hungry, I need food. Or at the corner of the valley, please sir, can I borrow some quarters? Right there I stopped, underline the verb borrow. He didn't want to share, so we took the money back. No friends left, and he died of a heart attack. Peace be upon this prophet called Lut. He came to his people like, do you approach man with lust up in your heart? Truly use the people transgressing old bounds. A shower of fire and brimstones. As long as there's unbelievers, the beef is on. The beef is on, the beef is on, the beef is on.
Where you at, who you are, tell her what you call yourself is what you're being fed. Tell her not where you from or where you leave. Tell her how much money you got is what you're being fed. Tell her not where you at, who you are. Tell her what you call yourself is what you're being fed. Tell her it's not where you from or where you leave. Tell her how much money you got is what you're being fed. Tell
Oh yes, yeah right, we've been fed, but we've been fed with nothing but poison. Silent killers in the food produce guerrilla. Science teaching you nothing new. Y'all know the food is a killer. Eat right, live right, yet I don't eat at all when it comes to fasting time. For something I stand tall, tight grip until the day I fall. I strongly believe my songs are prayers. Hopefully mercy would raise that. Raise higher now in the higher layers. Until then I be flossing, I be mourning, and I be laughing. In other words, sadness and joy, can't do nothing about it. That's part of life. I listen to each and every one, willing to talk. If you humble enough to listen, you learn something new. Doesn't matter if it is the cradle or the grave, cause the son of Dave taught me even though Dave taught him. Hush.
Yo, the light of the sun, you wanna worship that? A mistake that is, no that's not where it's at. Wanna make it to heaven, better go and mix a lot. If you live by the gun, get hit with the bigger gat. You love to eat, no wonder why you getting fat. Being mocked at, thinking you all that. They call you a snitch cause you live the life of a rat. Violate shift, man, get ready for combat. I got cats that'll teach you how to lay flat. Cut you fellas off cause you love to chit chat. Wanna get respect, live by the format. You's a wannabe, a G you so not. Me, I'm me, that's why my style is so hot. Bars of holy verses, something like a surat. Mirror, mirror on the wall, I'm just like a reflection, I show it as is. Mirror, mirror on the wall, yeah, I'm just like a reflection, I show it as is. Mirror, mirror on the wall, yeah, I'm just like a reflection, I show it as is. Mirror, mirror on the wall, yeah, I'm just like a reflection, I show it as is. You neighbors is frontin' like you gon' do something, but deep inside you know you ain't gon' do nothing. So why you keep lying? You neighbors is frontin' like you gon' do something, but deep inside you know you ain't gon' do nothing. That's why you keep dying. You neighbors is frontin' like you gon' do something, but deep inside you know you ain't gon' do nothing. So why you keep lying? You neighbors is frontin' like you gon' do something, but deep inside you know you ain't gon' do nothing. That's why you keep dying. I'm neither a Republican nor a Democrat, but I could tell a lot about pips based on their habitat. Got touched in the airport, you ain't no diplomat. If you run when it's time for war, you just a pussycat. Ashes to ashes, dust to dust. See me shift. I'm about this, then again I'm about an eye for an eye. In other words, a tit for a tat. Neighbors bleed just like us, make them holler a lot. Beat a bat, surprise you, pat you on your back. Have you ever been hit with the baseball bat? Cause with us, you're not at risk of getting shot. What about a machete? Cut your legs off, stop you from moving. Permanent that. When you see me in the flesh, I got strong double muscles. Still I'm flexible, move just like an acrobat. Mirror, mirror on the wall, I'm just like a reflection, I show it as is. Mirror, mirror on the wall, yeah, I'm just like a reflection, I show it as is. Mirror, mirror on the wall, yeah, I'm just like a reflection, I show it as is. Mirror, mirror on the wall, yeah, I'm just like a reflection, I show it as is. You neighbors is frontin' like you gon' do something, but deep inside you know you ain't gon' do nothing.
So why you keep lying?
You neighbors is frontin' like you gon' do something, but deep inside you know you ain't gon' do nothing.
That's why you keep dying.
You neighbors is frontin' like you gon' do something, but deep inside you know you ain't gon' do nothing.
So why you keep lying?
You neighbors is frontin' like you gon' do something, but deep inside you know you ain't gon' do nothing.
That's why you keep dying.
Too many games now. Too many games now. Too many games now.
Too many years now, see you know no doubt, waiting for my turn.
Too many games now.
Oh
Hey yo, y'all fellas are playing too many games now. All of a sudden the whole city is made of killers. I'm from the jungle, I done survive. Lions and gorillas, where savages live and they don't live in cases anymore. But nice man is his chinchilla, what's realer? Come on man, tell me who's iller. But what is coming after this, man? Tell me the truth, man. The way I lay these bars, it's not just the words. Gotta pay attention, it is how I'm saying it. Y'all little fellas are not on my level yet. Come on, let's be serious, y'all not on my level yet. I don't play games, I don't say names. More than you little cats, just little Satans. So I jump on it, jump on bits, lay on tracks, make contact. That's what I do. But for us, lift mountains, lift mountains, hard by the grace. Flash move, yo, we don't got nothing to prove. Flash move, yo, we don't got nothing to prove. Flash move, yo, we don't got nothing to prove. Flash move, yo, we don't got nothing to prove. Flash move, yo, we don't got nothing to prove. Flash move, yo, we don't got nothing to prove. Flash move, yo, we don't got nothing to prove. Flash move, yo, we don't got nothing to prove. Hey yo, here's a little story for y'all go to bed. This is the story of an African boy. The boy had style and the boy was fly. 6-figure Willie, every time he passed by. He doesn't play games and he doesn't say names. Upset all the time, you can hardly see him smile. His circle so close, one wife, few friends, crew friends. The man, hard-headed till the end. Good looking, central booking. Man, y'all should have heard what the man was cooking. Sick was the way the man was spitting butter. Some of y'all done already forgot. He wrote his own rhymes, produced his own beats, so he didn't really need nobody else in the game. And unlike all his peers, believe it or not, he wasn't for the fortune and the fame. Flash move, yo, we don't got nothing to prove. Flash move, yo, we don't got nothing to prove. Flash move, yo, we don't got nothing to prove. Flash move, yo, we don't got nothing to prove. Flash move, yo, we don't got nothing to prove. Flash move, yo, we don't got nothing to prove. Flash move, yo, we don't got nothing to prove. Flash move, yo, we don't got nothing to prove. Would you like to be exposed just like it is, or would you rather me just minding my biz? I don't mind to knock on the door too. Who? Me? Homie, I'm cool with that. 10 homies in the truck, we be rolling G. Different by file from different continents. Somebody told me many hands make like work, so I joined forces. Deeper the iceberg. Repeat, no woman, no cry. If God breaks your leg, he will teach you how to live here. No, I don't dance on ice. By the way, thanks to anyone who ever said my flow's nice. Show support. appreciate that. All y'all other haters, y'all can hate on that. My flow is way over the top, way over the limit, yeah. Gimmicks, gimmicks. Flash move, yo, we don't got nothing to prove. Flash move, yo, we don't got nothing to prove. Flash move, yo, we don't got nothing to prove. Flash move, yo, we don't got nothing to prove. Flash move, yo, we don't got nothing to prove. Flash move, yo, we don't got nothing to prove. Flash move, yo, we don't got nothing to prove. Flash move, yo, we don't got nothing to prove. Ha! Yeah! Shit is crazy, right, Pop?
Too many years now, sitting on the dock, waiting for my time to come.
That's what it is,
Oh
man.
Lord.
Shifa.
Too many years now, sitting on the dock, waiting for my
Why
time
you
to
good?
come. Oh Lord.
Shifa. Yeah, Shifa. Yeah, what up, baby? Yeah. Sitting on the couch. Let me tell you about life. I dedicate this verse to life itself. Wish my eyes was a witness to its creation, but the truth of the matter is, yo, me Shifa, I can't recall it, so I sit in the dark, watch my skin blend in. The only reflection from the wide of my eyes, that's the light within. Fighting with darkness, I know life ain't easy, everybody know that. What a precious gift, Ash. But few of those that take the time to acknowledge it. Saying it doesn't make me better, doesn't make you better. We don't got time for that, we'd rather be after the cheddar. All my pips, they're alcoholics, yet they are those souls determined to make a change. Me, I flew from overseas, done cross 7 seas. Now I'm on the mic, talking to these. Tongue is yours, use it to save a few of these. My bike falls, the food in the van. We be riding around in New York City, representing Mam Shack, right and fall. Y'all should have seen us bring glad tidings to the believers, like love your neighbors. Hate is contagious, most of us learn the lessons of life the hard way. Why young pips are wise, so the ties to the most high getting stronger and stronger. I done seen teenagers grow hairs of wisdom over all the statistic of faith wouldn't save. Fantastic. Hey, you there? Yeah, your prayers been heard in due time. Ain't nothing but a try. Hot is the sun, making it sweat. The desert makes prophets. The evil side makes heartless wrongdoers, but who is those marginalized by society? No worries, mummies, those neglected being used for higher purpose. I don't trust friends anymore. Cause pips will slice you on your back, then smile right in front of you. Jealousy is nothing but weakness, nice good deeds. We don't mean nothing less. Wesh. Don't test, just enjoy, you blessed. Shifa, happy holidays.
Touch.
Yeah, good fire, good.
Listen. It's more than him or her, you or her or me. More to the eye than what you wanna see. More to life than copping a cool V. 24 inches, all eyes on me. Now I was young and dumb, kinda stuck in my ways. New kicks, new chicks, more chips than Lays. Trying to get the world back, cause it's harder to be black. Cause it's harder to get a job, but it's easy to sell crack. Money coming in fast and started watching my back. Niggas hungry in this jungle, found the way to attack. Switch route, I clean out, never bringing the team out. Unless I'm begging cause you fags be egging me on. Put your man up in the dirt, let him lay on his lawn. Can't kill what's been killed, I return like spawn. Rise like dawn, checkmate, move that pawn. Killer instinct, I'm in sync, mind in tune. The armless dude with a torch like bomb and fluid. Don't try this dude, hook send niggas to the trauma yun. Just as quick as a snap, touch shit, fire and pop. The true definition, nigga, a rap.
Chill, that's that good weed smoke,
bitch,
nigga.
Stop.
Hold on, let me get it. Yo, I remember back in the days of niggas on the block. I stay in the crib cooking up fucking rocks, nigga. If I could turn back the hands of times, I'd be like, damn, I'll be on the block with the grands and dimes. I got bitch coming check a nigga from OT. I'm trying to move bricks, nigga OT. I stay on the block with my team now. My man Touch Desk caught the new Benz now. My son Chef stay cruising up the block. Any niggas axed up,
And you know I'm gon' let it pop.
I take blocks, I bust down blocks. I'm a beings like a beast, nigga, in a cage, nigga. Who the fuck let this beast out the cage, nigga? I'm on the track and I'm beast on the beige, nigga. I stay high up, my man behind me stay high up, rolling up that Ball Marley shit. I keep calling shit, I'm like Team all this shit. Nigga, I got mad fucking clips, nigga. You act up, I will put you in a dish, nigga. Or fuck around, I will put you in the back of the trunk, nigga. And cruise up to the block, pumping that new shit, fire, touch and pop. Chill! Boom, fire, cool, man. We on the block, Marcus Garvey and Decatur, Lewis and McDonough. Shout out to all my veterans and all that. You know I'm skinny to meaning. East side.
May 16, 2006, yeah. The time 11:30 p.m. It's kinda chilly outside. Been raining earlier this morning, around the afternoon, bright day, bright light. All the dark clouds just went out of sight. Truly there's a sign in these for men of understanding. Right when I was writing these lyrics, my eyes were feeling kinda heavy, but I chose to capture that moment, use the last minutes of that day to do right. So I thought might as well just talk to you. My worries, my fears, mostly future tears. Yeah, that's why I cherish loved ones. And I tell them I love them. I know I ain't always that easy, but when it comes to my intentions, it's so good. Even though reality some else, for my peeps back home, there's not enough food. Below the mic in the invasion, my homies so proud they eager to spread it out, but I told them shh, for now keep it low. I've been planning and plotting, relocating, reminiscing places I've been blessed to bless. If you go to Dakar, my DNA's there. Listen, you go to Bed-Stuy, my DNA's there. I'm like a pregnant woman, spitting everywhere, spitting verses designed to create life. At least that was my intention, right when I wrote it. Mash the feelings I felt the moment I coded. Got fans thinking I must be someone else. an imposter, posing as an African. The beautiful mind behind these lyrics, but I told her, don't put that props on me, baby. Must be someone higher, pushing the play button. Props to those who spent their wealth in the cause and follow not up their gifts with reminders of their generosity. Their reward is with their Lord. On them shall be no fear. Yo, nor shall they grieve. Kind words and coverings of faults, better than charity. Yeah, followed by injury. They are like a garden, high and fertile. Yeah, heavy rain falls on it, but it makes it yield a double increase. Those who spend their wealth just to be seen of man, they imparable, like a hard barren rack on which is a little soil. On it heavy rain falls, which lives in the best storm.
See the need to talk. Only I should know by now. Oh, by now. I don't even see the need to talk. Only I should know by now. Ships sitting on top of the hill, eyes all hazy, them tricks you got. Listen, that don't faze me, I done seen worse, boss. That don't amaze me. What about beef? Gotta pass way over that. Nowadays, carry your continent over my shoulders, and I got followers. Yes, that listen, kinda like a general and his soldiers. Gotta give thanks for that, cause that is grace. Wish all praise to the one who raised the dead. Just this morning I saw Mr. X. Later that day they told me Mr. X is dead. Man, who else gon' be next? I show love to pips in them. Nevertheless, from time to time I catch venom. Keep forgiving them, we tend to forget. Most of the badness had been fixed. I don't even see the need to talk. Only I should know by now, know by now. I don't even see the need to talk. Only I should know by now. I don't even see the need to talk. Only I should know by now, know by now. I don't even see the need to talk. Only I should know by now. Right now. Yo, it was a false arrest. I bet that was a sign. Throughout my eyes, all I could see was falling stars, healing scars. The only way I know to document history is through these bars. Watch how I stand firm, the only one on stage. One man army, call us the resistance. Microcells don't survive germs, coexist with nature. Homie, we savages, listening to what birds saying when they sing it. Forehead is a receptionist, translator specialist. Gotta learn to sense, then you take it for whatever it is. I don't even see the need to talk. Only I should know by now, know by now. I don't even see the need to talk. Only I should know by now. I don't even see the need to talk. Only I should know by now, know by now. I don't aren't even sitting in the top. Only I should know by now.
Yo, I still talk, still letting them know, still giving them hits, like giving them clues. Wash, just by doing that, I'm paying my dues. Wash, push something back on the block, something like news. Nowadays, cats don't go by no rules. No wonder why my generation effed up. Drink out of a bottle, forget about a cup. Fellas, man up, on the reels, so what's up? But still hard-headed jokes is trying to test. Still I bring out the best of shift, the best of shift, the best of shift. For the spliff, smoke in the air, yeah. I'm in my universe, hey. Hey, they get high, speed of verse to overcome adversity, wash. To some my verses are blessings, to some my bars is a curse. When you hear me saying that I'm old school, that's just mean we've been among the first. And when you hear me saying that I'm new school, it just mean we be among the last. Listen, I don't even like the fam, but yesterday I found a letter in the mail saying I got fans in Amsterdam. Guess I'm international now. They getting to know the name, cause I keep it real, just like a purist, yeah. Call me the adventurous, shit. I feel like Christopher Columbus, and it's only been 5 years, just 5 years since I discovered America. Left loved ones behind to come to this unknown land to get mine. Now the Lord is making me shine. Plus the ladies love my figure design. On top of that, songs are easy to him. That's right. To me, that's enough of a sign. Still haters trying to doubt though. I advise you not to get out of line. Stand tall, and if you fall, get up quick, get back on your feet. I wanna see heads high above the shoulders. Let's go, stand tall, and if you fall, get up quick, get back on your feet. I wanna see heads high above the shoulders. Yo, man up when it's time for war. Get right back up whenever you fall, yeah. Listen to me very carefully. Let's appreciate divine intervention. Some real like the final call. Soon as I hear Allah, say no more. Homie, set it down with you. Down to ride for you. My question, are you sure? Be a man of your own, stop being a dog. See me, I know where I'm from, so it's easy to me to know where to go. The motherland of them all. I mean, what you think I'm doing it for? Yeah. Expose you dirty. Meaning branding tips you dirty. Nothing, something light, something small. That African boy point fingers at y'all, yeah. One of them fingers is behind the trigger, no. Instead he's singing a song, but his songs are like bombs, so ring the alarm, yeah. Don't be punks, defend yourself. I mean especially if you feel like somebody trying to harm you. Soldiers in the making, keeping the minds in tune. Stand tall, and if you fall, get up quick, get back on your feet. I wanna see heads high above the shoulders. Let's go, stand tall, and if you fall, get up quick, get back on your feet. I wanna see heads high above the shoulders. Stand tall, and if you fall, get up quick, get back on your feet. I wanna see heads high above the shoulders. Let's go, stand tall, and if you fall, get up quick, get back on your feet. I wanna see heads high above the shoulders. There I go, here I come. Anyone I wanna test you, welcome. Don't you know this kind of rhythm here, originated over there back home, the motherland. Yes, ma'am, that's where Shifai comes from. AMCs, you can come get some. Teach you how to move till your body get numb. Neighbors wanna hate on me, the man must be crazy. Man, I fly over bits, produce hits among my fans, your kids, and that's just a little bit. Keep coming at you like pum pum pum, strike like a snake, leave a venom, lyrically eliminate all of them. When it comes to war, we drop napalm, some similar to Vietnam. AMCs better stay at home, be a good kid, cater to mom. Ladies, fellas, haters, lovers, they'll flex, drop a firebomb. Go to boy ship is at this prom.
Hey, we back in town. 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 We back in. We back in town.
He who refuses to be warned sees himself the consequences. This relate to all my peeps using their common senses. I know you never heard this flow before. We ahead about time like a broken watch. They follow our steps, getting in touch. Usually I don't even like to talk this much. Such and such. I don't smoke anymore, don't pass me the Dutch. Such and such. Better watch out before you get bum brush. May I teach some? Please, may I preach some? Seems like these are the voices here. They say night, they frighten. One thing for sure is I ain't playing. Y'all fellas need to be quiet. Shh, shh. Please just hush. I'm gonna keep giving it to you, giving it to anyone of y'all that wants me to. Keep going till I hit your melon. But nowadays MCs is telling, why is they yelling? Do I need to do some spelling? Guess what, homeboy, I'm willing. Non-stop, hit after hit. Keep ripping it, hit after beat. Repeat. You're the ones shift to move, might as well knock off his feet. I'm saying, brothers, sisters, neighbors, haters, none of y'all can stop the buzz. Man, I thought you knew how I does.
Hey, we back in town. 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 We back in. We back in town. Hey, we back in town. 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 We back in. We back in town.
There I go, here I come. Anyone I wanna test you, welcome. Don't you know this kind of rhythm here originated over there back home, the motherland? Yes, ma'am, that's where Shifai comes from. AMCs, you can come get some. Teach you how to move till your body get numb. Neighbors wanna hate on me, the man must be crazy. Man, I fly over bits, produce hits among my fans, your kids, and that's just a little bit. Keep coming at you like pum pum pum, strike like a snake, leave a venom, lyrically eliminate all of them. When it comes to war, we drop napalm, some similar to Vietnam. AMCs better stay at home, be a good kid, cater to mom. Ladies, fellas, haters, lovers, they'll flex, drop a firebomb. Go to boy ship is at this prom.
Hey, we back in town. 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 We back in. We back in town.
He who refuses to be warned sees himself the consequences. This relate to all my peeps using their common senses. I know you never heard this flow before. We ahead about time like a broken watch. They follow our steps, getting in touch. Usually I don't even like to talk this much. Such and such. I don't smoke anymore, don't pass me the Dutch. Such and such. Better watch out before you get bum brush. May I teach some? Please, may I preach some? Seems like these are the voices here. They say night, they frighten. One thing for sure is I ain't playing. Y'all fellas need to be quiet. Shh, shh. Please just hush. I'm gonna keep giving it to you, giving it to anyone of y'all that wants me to. Keep going till I hit your melon. But nowadays MCs is telling, why is they yelling? Do I need to do some spelling? Guess what, homeboy, I'm willing. Non-stop, hit after hit. Keep ripping it, hit after beat. Repeat. You're the ones shift to move, might as well knock off his feet. I'm saying, brothers, sisters, neighbors, haters, none of y'all can stop the buzz. Man, I thought you knew how I does.
Hey, we back in town. 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 We back in. We back in town. Hey, we back
sound.